Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Fire TV Cube home screen customization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin customizing your Amazon Fire TV Cube home screen, power on your device and ensure it's connected to the internet. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the top menu. Using your remote, scroll to Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Select Settings to access various options. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Home Screen. Click on Home Screen to view customization options. You'll see a section labeled Featured Content. Toggle Featured Content on or off depending on your preference. If you prefer a cleaner interface, turning this option off will remove promotions and recommendations. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Applications. In the Applications menu, click on Manage Installed Applications. Here, you can choose which apps to display on your home screen. Select any app you want to modify, and click on it. You can choose to clear data or uninstall any apps that you no longer wish to see. To prioritize certain apps, navigate back to the home screen. Highlight the app you want to move. Press and hold the Select button on your remote to enter the edit mode. Now, drag the app to your desired location on the home screen. Once positioned, release the button to drop the app in place. Next, go back to Settings and select Preferences. In Preferences, scroll to Privacy Settings. You can adjust these settings to manage how your viewing preferences are used. If you want to enable or disable data collection, toggle the options accordingly. To further personalize your experience, navigate back to the home screen. Find live or your video sections to see content tailored to your viewing habits. You can customize these sections as well, based on what interests you. After making all desired changes, return to the home screen to see your updated layout. Take a moment to explore your newly customized interface. Now you have a Fire TV Cube home screen tailored to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.